Welcome to another video, guys, and today I'm going to be talking about basically the things that you need when you start with affiliate marketing, specifically a tool called System.io, and what are the first few things that you need to get started. Because a lot of the times when you are looking for the right tools, many people just say how amazing the tool is, but don't give you guys the backstory of exactly what you need in case you have to use it on a daily basis. So today I'm going to cover that. This is a System.io review, guys. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Let's hop on to my computer to share with you some more. Perfect, guys. Here I am on my screen, and let's go ahead and talk about it. So first and foremost, if you're here for the first time on this channel, welcome, welcome. I talk about affiliate marketing. I make sure that I share as much information about it as I am doing it on a daily basis as a side hustle. Okay, I do have a full-time job, guys, so I'm going to be talking about System.io in this video. Now, System.io is a tool that I'm pretty much using on a daily basis. Yes, I log into it on a daily basis, I use it on a daily basis, and therefore I wanted to get over and share with you what is needed when you just get started. First and foremost, this tool is absolutely for free. So when it comes to starting affiliate marketing, maybe you want to be a digital course creator, maybe you want to sell digital products, all of that is possible with this tool, and it is absolutely free to get started with. Now, obviously, if you want to leverage some of the advanced features that this tool has, or increase your limitations and so on and so forth, then there are paid plans available. But it is possible to get started absolutely for free. I used the tool for about a year, 100% for free before I went even to the paid plan myself. And now I'm on the paid plan. So just say, okay, you can really get started absolutely. It's very cost effective. Now it does everything for you when it comes to marketing. So you can build your websites, can build your blogs, can build your funnels. It can do your email marketing for you, literally everything that you need. Obviously, there are going to be some limitations and not. So I really want to get going and share with you. Yes, it might be easy, but there are a few things that you need to have. Now, I'm going to refer to affiliate marketing specifically and how I use the tool for affiliate marketing specifically, but you can then take those features and do whatever you need to do with it, okay? Literally. So let me get into the marketing aspect. What are the primary main reasons of what I would use a tool like System.io for? I wanted to get started with affiliate marketing, right? So I needed to first and foremost build a funnel, which in the future can also be a website, can also be a blog, and so on and so forth. But first, I want to build a funnel. That's the easiest and quickest way for me to get started. In order for me to build a funnel, the funnel does a few things. One is it collects an email address. So it collects a lead, it collects an email address. Two, it also then goes to a whole sales process. So it becomes a marketing system. The tool needs to be a marketing system on its own. Marketing system on its own to make those sales, take people to the customer journey, and so on and so forth, and collect an email. These are the two primary functions, right? And then obviously the email marketing is the third element that then I can continuously use and get people back to my page, back to my offers, and have a relationship with my leads. So if you think about these things, that's what I need for affiliate marketing. So that's the basis behind it. And then obviously I go out and say, where do I advertise these sources? Where do I advertise this funnel? That's the advertising. So in affiliate marketing or marketing as a whole, there are two primary pillars that you need. One is advertising, and the second one is, as I say, copywriting or conversions, which is very much linked to text or video, but you're always learning how to write and improve your content of your videos, write your scripts for the videos, hooks for the videos. The same is for your emails and your blogs and everything else. So copy is really important. Copywriting is really important. Okay. So these are the two fundamental aspects of what I need. Therefore, what I was using before was a tool called ClickFunnels, and then I was linking it with Aweber or GetResponse, either one. This, I can do everything all together, but you do need a few things to get started. Let me share with you exactly what you need to get started, okay? So creating a funnel is pretty simple. Let me just go ahead and also share with you guys, if I go to templates right here, just to show you, you can have multiple sales funnels and templates in literally any category that you want. If it's an art and design, architecture, business, your coaching, and there are a lot of templates to get started with in the first place. And then from those templates, you can then move on to, creating even for other people. So in the end, if you learn this tool, you can offer it on the back end as a service where you're helping other businesses solve their problems by creating kind of funnels like this and launching it and everything else. And now as a service, you are also being paid. So consultancy, copywriting, ebooks, courses, so on and so forth, right? There are so many options available right now. If you want to go with crypto, e-commerce, fashion, farming, food and restaurants. And in the future, maybe I'll do a case study of how I build an actual funnel like this and then connect it to, for example, a service like just Google paid ads or something like that behind it in the future. Okay. But right now, this is just to show you it's very easy to build the templates and the drag and drop softwares. Obviously, you need to spend some time doing it, but I like to keep for specifically for my niche, which is the wealth niche, the funnel needs to be very basic. Honestly, the more complicated it is, the more hard it is to get conversions. The simpler it is in the wealth niche, the easier it is for conversions. Because at the end of the day, it's not really the funnel that matters when it comes to marketing in the wealth niche. You do need to have the simplicity, and the strategy is what is most important because people are coming there for that. So as long as you have that clear, it's easier to get conversions. Let's go ahead and share with you how do you do that. You basically need to come here and add funnels. So it's very easy. Come here, create a funnel for yourself. You choose from what you want to create it, and then you go ahead and do that. So that process is pretty simple. But before you can even do this, what I would suggest is this is the first thing that you need 100% is a domain name. Now, System.io does not give you domain names. System.io will give you a normal, let's say, standard domain name, which is, let's say, your email address, if I'm not mistaken, or your username .system.io.com. Okay, so for example, if I go here to funnels, you can see that this is the domain name connected. But let me just go to funnel settings. If I go to funnels right here, you can see that this is the default one, workwithdave.system.io.com, right? So that's the default funnel that you'll have. Now, if you don't have the money to buy a domain name, this would be a problem. But primarily you want to have a domain name, and a domain name you can get from, a service like Namecheap or even GoDaddy. These are two fundamental easiest places to get started with buying domains, and it's something that I would recommend. So that's the first thing that you need, a domain from a website domain. Okay, and later on you can always improve that aspect and everything, but it makes your website way more serious. So now, for example, my main funnel, as you guys can see right here, has one main domain, right? So this is, if I go to get paid, just to show you, getpaidwithdave.com, this is what it is. Okay, this is my funnel name. You have my page right here, which is a simple landing page where people enter their email address and their name, and they get access to my course. Okay, that's what I'm sharing. Now, when they go through this entire process, okay, you can see that I have then the sales page, which has a own, you add it. So each page you can make unlimited page with just one domain name, right? That's the beauty of it. So it's the first thing that you need. So in order to do your whole sales process correctly, you need a good solid domain name. Where would you go? Go to GoDaddy. I'll say it again, GoDaddy, or you can go to Namecheap. These are two companies that you can go to and you can check out. I don't want to sign in. Let's just go GoDaddy. All right. So you can basically go to, as you can see right here, GoDaddy. Okay, or you can go to this is one GoDaddy website that I don't know which I created, Philippines for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm in my euro currency. I don't know why I went to PH for not really sure, but you can do that. And now they have a way of you also building your website. You need hosting, everything done within GoDaddy. That's one way. Namecheap is another platform that I would recommend just because these two are really solid platforms. Okay, so either one, buy that domain name. So that's the first thing where you're solving the problem of your sales process. Second thing that you need is an email domain. So if you want to have your email done and delivered and everything else, now this email domain and even a domain you need with any software out there, guys, with any funnel, any marketing out there. You need a domain and you need an email domain. The beauty of this is that you only pay for that, and the tool itself comes with everything else. Remember, you're using the tool to save money. If I had to go with, I'm just giving an example, right? If I had to go with ClickFunnels and Aweber, I would be spending the domain for ClickFunnels and I would be spending the email domain for an Aweber. And that Aweber would be, let's say, $19 a month or whatever. And then if I go higher and get higher, let's say emails and contacts, I'm spending even more. So I'm spending a lot more on that. So let's say $200 a month is a good one where you have a decent sized list on Aweber. I'm spending $200 a month plus I'm spending the money for my domain. So the running cost of that kind of a service goes a lot higher. Whereas System.io, it's not perfect. Okay, I'm the first to say it. It's not perfect, but you are going to be able to do your email marketing with it. So that's one thing that I recommend. It has a complete CRM. It contains your contacts. You have your tags. You have your pipelines. I've shown you guys in multiple ways how to use that. If you want to see all the ways how to use these CRM options, there's a playlist in the description. Check it out, and you will be able to check those emails out. And that's pretty much the main two things that you need. So basically, if you got started for free, your only cost would be your domain and your email domain. And that's it. And those are the least amount of costs that's needed. And then you can start your entire process. In your entire process, the only two things that you would actually need to create is first and foremost a sales funnel. Now, if you guys want, you can see this is a simple example of how easy the sales funnel should be. A landing page or which looks like basically as I showed you guys before, a page like this. And then you have a thank you page, which in my case is a whole video where you can actually do a training and so on and so forth. And this has been converting for me really well. But this is another page, right? That's it. That's literally it. Two steps: landing page and a thank you page. This is the easiest format for you to create a funnel. And when people do, to simplify the entire process, you can create a workflow. Okay, now I think last week's video was on automation rules and workflows, but I would suggest just with this one entire free method, you can create a workflow, and then you can have a campaign that is, you can connect the entire workflow to that campaign, and that's it. So people are getting emails from you. They're getting emails from you automatically. They are tagged and everything else. You are sending them directly to a sales process, and you can send emails to them after that, and everything is personalized to you. These are the only things that you need. So you need the domains in place for this to function. Now, I personally use also newsletters quite a lot. The reason why I use newsletters quite a lot is because I like people to go through my own campaign on its own. So the marketing and the segmentation and everything else happens on its own. And then I use newsletters to focus on a certain segment of that have finished the campaign already. So I'm not spamming people. I'm not bombarding the email all the time with multiple messaging. The problem is not really sending emails, because at the end of the day, you've collected their email address and you need to be sending emails. If you're not actually taking advantage of the list that you're building. So you need to be communicating with them. The problem is how you communicate. That's the key. How you communicate would be not the quantity of emails that you're sending, but the content of emails that you're sending. Imagine that you are in my campaign, and my campaign, the purpose of that campaign is to promote that affiliate offer or that service or that course or that challenge, whatever it is on the back end, right? So that's the purpose of that 7-day campaign. Now, if I go out and send a newsletter to all my list talking about a video that I have, I've basically interrupted the entire process of that sales backend process that's there, right? From email to go to a sales page, email to go to a sales page. Now I'm suddenly sending them to a YouTube video. I don't want that to happen. So that section is, they go through the whole process. If they decided not to, they're on your newsletter and you are sending daily emails out to them on different options, getting to know you, maybe sending them to a YouTube video. And so I personally think it's a very good habit to be sending one email at least every single day. And in fact, it's a habit for me to come to System.io every single day and send out an email. And that's what I pretty much do. And as you guys can see, for example, in this, I've got a 33% open rate, but I've sent another 500 emails, or 484 emails, which was sent yesterday. At the time when I'm shooting this video, yeah, it was sent yesterday, yeah, and 90% open rate. I've got to do, almost a 1% click through rate. That's absolutely fine. And obviously, these numbers I can improve and grow and everything else, but the purpose here is now I'm engaging and getting people actively aware that I'm in their inbox and I'm talking to them, communicating them. If they want to stay, great. If they want to go, that's fine. So this is why I use the tool now. In order for me to do this in now Aweber and GetResponse and other ones, it's gonna cost me a lot. Right now, it costs me nothing to have this. literally as a free member, you can do what I'm sharing with you right now. So that's it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys understood what's needed when you're getting started. Primarily, if you sign up for System.io, remember you need two main things, your domain name and your email domain. And you can go ahead and do your marketing as you wish with just these two options. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you want to know more about System.io and so on and so forth, please make sure that you check the playlist below. Click that subscribe button and the bell notification if you like this video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day and keep paving the way for dreams to come true.